How do you take your new rig from this to this and get it ready for this? The journey kicks off with a trip to 4-Wheel Parts, where you're in the driver's seat and we're right there with you. With our 60 years of experience and thousands of vehicles built, we'll transform your Bronco with the all-new line of 4WP factory accessories. For extra protection from off-road hazards, more ground clearance for tougher terrain, accessories for the outdoor lifestyle, or parts that'll make your rig truly unique. Whether you want to order the best parts online, shop in-store, do the work yourself, or have it built by a pro, all trails lead to the truck, Jeep, or Bronco of your dreams. Because nobody knows off-road like 4-Wheel Parts. Do your Bronco right.